Hi, my name is Michael and I run Porsche Geek. So I've been obsessed with cars ever since I was a kid, going back a long time ago. And not for the reasons that you might think, those glossy brochures and all that kind of stuff. No, I'm talking about the real stuff. What actually breaks on the cars? What are the dealers not telling you? Why did one engine nearly bankrupt a generation of owners, and what was really going on inside Stuttgart when they almost killed the 911 twice? The day-to-day behind the curtain stuff that shows you Porsche isn't just a badge. It's one of the strangest, most brilliant stories in the car world, and I'm so passionate about it. So I started making these videos because everywhere I looked, Porsche was either gate-kept by snobs or buried in forum threads that you needed a decade to understand. So I wanted to do it differently, talk about these cars in a way that's actually interesting and actually useful. Not just horsepower and lap times, but which years to avoid, what that noise on a cold start really means, and how the whole empire was built. The stuff most channels skip over, they don't cover it. But what actually matters if you love these cars or you're trying to buy one without getting burned. And speaking of that, one quick thing. As a fellow Porsche nerd, I put together a collection of ebooks for the community, a full buyer's dossier with the hidden faults and dealer tricks, a printable viewing checklist, and a deep dive into the history and secrets behind the badge. It's my way of giving something back to you guys. Everything is right there in the description and the comments below if you want to check that out. There's no pressure, but it's right there. We're also now live on Spotify. You can find the link in the description also and in the comments there too. This whole thing has turned into something bigger than I actually expected. It's not just me making videos anymore. It's a whole community of people who are actually caring about these cars the right way. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's me. My name's Michael. Thanks for tuning in. That's why I make these videos. I genuinely love doing it. It's a big passion of mine, and I'm glad you're here to see it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep making all of these videos as long as you keep watching. All right, I'll see you in the next one.